This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns the file. This ensures permissions you change actually apply to the right items. Once signed in, open Google Drive and find the exact file or folder. Search by name if needed. Decide whether you will share with specific people or create a link. This matters because link sharing is broader. Make sure to check whether recipients should edit, comment, or view, since that choice determines subsequent steps and security. You now control who gets what level of access. Right-click the item and choose Share. Type email addresses or groups, then pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Editors can change content, so use sparingly. If you check Notify, recipients receive an email. Uncheck to avoid inbox clutter. For broader access, click Get Link, change Restricted to anyone with the link, and set access level. Once configured, press Send or Copy Link to distribute. This finalizes permissions immediately. You finish by reviewing advanced controls. For files, you can set expiration dates for individual editors or disable downloads for viewers. That preserves control. Then open drives shared with me or my drive and confirm the item shows correct collaborators. If something goes wrong, make sure recipients are signed into the correct Google account, clear browser cache or cookies, and check if the file inherits folder-level permissions that override your settings. If needed, revoke and reassign access to reset permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.